Hey guys, Midlands here. Today I'm going to be talking about two special features on this wheel right here. So the first one is going to be auto right there, the green one. So what that does is basically it adjusts to the lighting or to the darkness, so you wouldn't have to worry about anything when you take a picture. So like even the flash comes out, everything. So the next one is going to be no flash right there. So what that does is, well, when you take a picture, the flash won't come up. Basically, like right here, if I press it, it'll adjust and then take a picture after time. Not like this, it'll instantly show up the flash. So that's pretty much what these two features do right here. And yeah, that's about it today. Okay guys, until the next episode.